A to tree. A to tree. Okay. Okay, kids. Now, this is letter. Which letter is this? A. Very good. This is letter A. Yes. And kids, what's the sound of letter A? A says A. Open your mouth. A. A says A. Apple. A says A. Apple. Very good. Now once again. A says A. Apple. Good. Now next letter. Which letter is this? B. Very good. This is letter B. This is letter B. B says ba. B says ba. Ball. B says ba. Ball. B says ba. Ball. So which letter? This is letter B. This is letter B. Very good. Now next letter. Which letter is this? Letter C. Very good, kids. Which letter is this? This is letter C. Now what's the sound of letter C? Ka. Yes. C says ka. Cake. C says ka. Cake. C says ka. Cake. Very good. Very good. So this is letter C. This is letter C. Now I will show you the next letter. This is letter D. Which letter is this? Which letter is this? Fast. This is letter D. Speak after man. Letter D. Letter D. Very good. And what's the sound of letter D? Duh. Speak after man. Duh. Speak after man. Duh. D says duh. D says duh. Drum. D says duh. Drum. Speak after man. D says duh. Drum. So this is letter D. This is letter D. Very good. Now I will show the next letter. Which letter is this? Who will tell me? This is letter E. Speak after ma'am. Letter E. Letter E. Very good. And what's the sound of letter E? What's the sound of letter E? A. What's the sound of letter E? A. Very good. E says elephant. E says elephant. Everyone speak after ma'am. Very good. E says elephant. So this is letter E. This is letter E. Now I will show the next letter. Which letter is this? This one. Which letter is this? Yes, F. Which letter is this? Letter F. Yes, letter F. And what's the sound of letter F? Fa. What's the sound of letter F? Fa. What's the sound of letter F? Fa. F says fa. Yes. Speak after ma'am. F says fa. Once again. F says fa. Fa, fa, fish. F says fa. Fa, fa, fish. F says fa. Fa, fa, fish. So, this is letter F. This is letter F. Very good. Now, next letter. Which letter is this? G. Which letter is this? G. Which letter is this? G. Very good. And what's the sound of letter G? G. Speak after ma'am. G. G says G. Very good. G says G. Speak after ma'am. G says G. 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 Grapes. G says G. 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 Grapes. G says G. 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 Grapes. So this is letter G.